One of the toughest places to reopen as India looks ahead in how it will manage the COVID-19 pandemic is Ayodhya. It's a temple town in Uttar Pradesh. It, of course, has been the center of politics and of religious activities. And for an administrator here, things could not be tougher, perhaps. But Anuj Jha is the district magistrate of Ayodhya. He's been here for a while now. Anuj ji, I just want to start by asking you, how tough has it been now to reopen, given the kind of footfall that one expects in a place like Ayodhya, and given that you are having to take a lot of precautions because of the COVID-19 pandemic?
Since having a look at the guidelines that were issued on 30th of May for reopening of the temples, obviously it said that on 8th of June further guidelines will be issued. So we started preparing. In the build up to this reopening, we had a meeting with the Dharm Gurus, all the Dharm Gurus, like separately all the Hindu sons and Dharmacharyas, and similarly with the Muslim Dharm Gurus also. And we explained all the conditions that are there. But although we are going to reopen because certain things are to reopen, but we need to take utmost precautions. That is the bottom line. And in light of that, we provided certain amenities to them, and at the same time put certain conditions for them. And we have tried to enforce the social distance that is there, hand sanitization that is required, and the screening, that particularly the temperature screening in front of all the temples. We have also asked them to make provisions for that. At the same time, to start with, we have provided certain like infrared thermometers and sanitizers and teams who are doing continuous disinfection and all that. So we have also sought their cooperation, and all of them are forthcoming in that. And we hope that today it has been extremely good. The distance has been good. The crowd has been sparse. But tomorrow being the Tuesday, we are expecting more crowd than today, and we are looking forward to it. In the sense that our teams are in place and they are geared up. Yeah. I hope things will be okay.
Yeah, one more question, Anuj, you are also part of the effort to build the Ram temple here now that Supreme Court orders are out. Yeah. We were expecting that the foundation stone perhaps could have been laid in the months of April or March perhaps, but the COVID-19 pandemic has delayed that. Moving ahead or going ahead, how do you see that situation panning out? Do you think we are ready to have any kind of ceremonies, or do you think it's going to get a little more delayed given the kind of situation that we face right now?
See, during the lockdown, following the guidelines of the lockdown and observing all the conditions that are there, certain things were done for the preparatory exercise that is there, leveling of land and clearing the land, all that. But beyond that, we are still to hear on the dates that are to be finalized. And I think there is some process going on, the finalization of layout and the designs and everything. So I hope to hear about the dates, but at the same time, I must clarify that the guidelines talk about setting a date for restart of social, political, religious kind of functions. So the moment we have those dates, like when we can restart these functions, I think then only the dates will be finalized, and we will know about the dates, and then we will start preparing.
Just one final question, sir. I know you're an administrator and you are geared to deal with things like this, but this is unprecedented. You have a family. How are you managing things at home, sir?
Taking the maximum precaution that we can. Like whenever I am out, my mask doesn't come below my nose level. That is number one. Every time we go back home, we take a bath. We kind of wash our own clothes every time we go back to house, and keeping kids separate for that time till we are sanitized. So these are the precautions we are taking, and distancing is the, I think, gold standard. If we observe distancing like 2 gaj ki duri, then I think things are going to be okay. And
thank you so much. Yeah.
Thank
you so much, sir. There you have it, the district magistrate of one of UP's most high-profile districts, telling us how things are being managed in Ayodhya. With Dinesh Pratap Singh and Pramod Srivastava, this is Alok Pandey, NDTV.